Hi there, this is Kelly from CrystalNinja, and I'm going to give you guys a super quick little tutorial on our Samurai Secret Glue Kit. In the kit, you're going to get a little primer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime these super cute little pineapples. And you're also going to receive the glue. I've already put a couple drops in this tray, which comes in the kit, and also a little applicator stick. You're going to put very small dots of the glue. You can put, I suggest put one dot at a time, but if you're fast enough, you can put 2 or 3. That one looks like it already dried. And then placing your stones right where you want them, because they will pretty much cure instantly. And that other dot of glue kind of disappeared. It's kind of sensitive, so you gotta move pretty fast. And always give a nice press down with the other side of your Crystal Katana tool. And then continue to add a couple of dots. And these are all KiraKira glass rhinestones. This is the transparent AB. Just one tiny dot, super small dot is all you need. If you don't use enough of the glue, it won't bond. If you use too much, it won't bond. Very tiny dots is all you need. And so like that one was a little bit crooked. So to get those off, you might want to use like some little cuticle nippers. I like to keep around these little guys, and then you can actually kind of crack that off and try again. The faster the better, because this could cure and it would rip the silicone and the rubber. It's very sensitive. This glue is great for some foam rubbers, like the actual Crocs shoes, and some silicones. We can't say all because there are so many different types out there. It would be incorrect to do a blanket statement saying all, but please practice. Always give it good practice run before you attempt a whole project to be safe. And use different sizes here, but we've had great luck with many different rubber and silicone surfaces with this process, the primer and the glue. And this is what comes in your Samurai Secret Glue Kit: the tray, the applicator stick, the primer, and the glue. You also get a prep kit. On some projects you can actually sand them first. This one is so tiny and it's just decorative, it's not necessary. And then an alcohol wipe as well. For the green, I will use some of our, let's put a little bit more primer. Every few minutes or so, you want to add more of the primer. Let that dry. It dries quite fast. And I've got some of the green flame ready. Just a couple dots on there. Just be careful where you put it. And that glue dot, see, I was not fast enough. And usually using your left and your right hand helps you become faster. But with this little tiny item, it's just hard to hold on to, so I'm not going as fast as normal. And here's the end result of our super cute little Jibbitz charms for Crocs shoes. They are some form of a silicone, not like the foam rubber that the shoes are made out of. So we used our Samurai Secret Kit. In the kit comes the sanding file, the alcohol wipes, the tray, the applicator stick, the primer, and the glue. Stones, what I used on the pineapple is the transparent AB for the pineapple lower part, and it also has starry AB. And then I also used green flame in size 8 and size 4, and both of these are of the KiraKira glass rhinestones. Something super cute and easy, and now we have a solution for rubber and foam rubber and silicone. So check out our Samurai Secret Glue Kit. And disclaimer, not all glues and rubbers are the same, so please test on your items before you begin a large project. All right, keep sparkling, everybody.